I've been a realtor for 9 years and a host for 6, and let me tell you, I absolutely love what I do. There's something incredibly rewarding about helping people feel at home, whether they're finding their dream property or just staying for a few nights. Hi, I'm Linza. I'm giving you 5 tips on how to maintain a 5-star rating on rental platforms. Hospitality is truly at the heart of everything I do. As a host, I take pride in creating warm, welcoming spaces that make my guests feel comfortable and cared for. From the little details to the big ones, I believe it's all about creating an experience that feels personal and thoughtful, like they're home even when they're far from it. Being a realtor has also taught me so much about the importance of relationships, trust, and understanding what people need. It's not just about selling houses, it's about creating a sense of belonging. Hospitality is more than just a job for me. It's a passion, a purpose, and a way to connect with others in a meaningful way. Thanks for taking a moment to get to know me. Whether you're looking for a place to stay, buy, or simply a little inspiration, I'm here to help make your journey feel just like home.